Are we in Italy? No, friends. No. We are in the village of Niles. When I knew we were shooting in Chicago, we had to come out here to Niles because they have the strangest landmark in the world, the Leaning Tower of Niles. It is just the most surreal, random thing to be driving through, the commercial district of Niles and come across this little piece of Italy. I don't know what it means. Maybe there's a meaning in each of us when we look at the Leaning Tower of Niles. Do you remember the first time you saw the tower?
Yeah, I was probably 14 years old. Yeah, I said, "What is that?" I didn't know.
How did it get here?
Well, there was an industrialist, turn of the century, 20th century, I should say. His name was Robert Ilg. He had some factories just to the east of us where they built mimeograph machines, if anybody can remember those. But he offered this as a recreational spot. So it was 22 acres, and he had festivals out here and different things of interest for families.
So he built this for his employees to be happy?
Well, he built this for a water tower to provide pools of water for his employees.
Got it. So it's a water tower that's disguised as the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Yes.
Okay. So why Pisa though? Like, why was this his vision? Was he from there? Do you have any idea?
It's one of those things we'll never know, I suspect.
You have recently put money into this. You put about $500,000 into it in the last few years, right? For restoration.
Correct. There's some, I don't think their vision is accurate, that said, why do we need this? Tear it down. Why put $250,000 in?
Can you bring in tourists with this?
I'm waiting for that day. I want tourists. I want people to be able to climb up there. Because they used to be able to, but then it fell into disrepair, and there was no political motivation to make it right. But again, more has to be put into it.
So who has a better tower, you or Pisa?
Well, I understand that someone in your crew indicated that it might be ours, but then again, who's to tell?
Who? James? It's James. Look at this. Whoa, observation tower. That's the best part of this experience, climbing up to the top.
We made it to the top, the summit. We're here, stick an American flag at the top. We did it.
Hello from Pisa.
Do you have anything in your town that we should come and check out? Leave a comment below, click to see more, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly episodes of You Have to See This.